Here is the MI Smart Band 5, so let's unbox this. Xiaomi, the newly launched fitness band of the AMOLED color with a touchscreen and MI logo with a price of 2,999 on the Indian online stores. So according to them, it seems to be the India's #1 wearable band. So let's open this very quickly, as this is open now. So let's check the features and the manual itself. So this is available on online stores with a comfortable price around rupees 2,500 only. So if you are willing to buy this, check the features which I gonna talk about now. So here is the manual written in reverse, so that it says about the product overview, installation, wearing, connecting, and so that's the info with a blank page. At last, this like me. So now let's go further. Now it's turn for the newly magnetic round MI band charger, which is very small compared to the previous MI band 4. So the other side is a USB port, and let's go with the band now. So I have already installed the band into the strap, and now I am trying to on this, but why? Wait, why it's not? So this is why it's not. It is reverse, so that's why it is not able to on. Just rotate the watch, yeah, slightly. So yep, now it's ready for the setup. So let's do setup now. Okay, now setup is completed. Now you can see the charging port with the sensor of heart rate monitoring with the logo MI. So let's on the watch first, I mean the band, and we'll go through the features. What are new features? Let's see here. So you can see the interface like the time, status of your calories, the pie, the body monetization, I mean body monitoring, and the heart rate, notifications, stress, and a new one, breathing, yeah, events, weather, as well as workout and more time. So let's go into the detail. Now I'll test the newly highly censored of heart monitoring rate. So now I'll check this. What my heart rate will be, rate per minute. So this is 71. Okay, I'll check again. You have to know how it will monitor the heart. So like this, the sensor which is blinking with the green light monitor the blood or the shake vibration of our nerves, or it calculate the pulse rate. So this may be incalculate or an error, so sometimes it may can't show if you disturb the sensor. Like this, you can see the result now. It may be the error could not connect. Okay, so let's go to the next feature. So this is the status about the calories and stress. Yeah, this is the stress. This is a new one. Overall bodies, just like Pi, which is upgraded to the Pi version. And one thing we have to talk about the breathing. So this breathing is of just to relax your body and mind when you are busy. If you press this, just inhale as it is and exhale as you like. So it's just a trainee type on your wrist, so you have to follow what it says so that you will be more free, like just like a meditation on your hand. So the weather, you know that. So these are about the features of workout, etc. So there is quite special about the charging port and breathing, exhale like stress, and very AMOLED display. So these are the new or Naya features in this MI Band 5 comparing to the band 4 and with the same cost. So I hope you like this video. Just please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and I'll keep the link in the description. So this is Sree Ganesh signing off. We'll meet in the next video. Bye.